third grade field trip.
What's the first thing you think of when you hear the word Among Us? Did you know Among Us is a game? In my opinion, I think Among Us is a good game. First, Among Us never taught me to never talk to strangers. Second, Among Us, you meet new people. Third, some people are good or bad. Among Us is a busy game. You have to do tasks to win. Try not to die. Vote the imposter to win. If you are the imposter, you have to kill everyone. You can vent, you can kill. Among Us is a good game to play. Bye, Kylie Crab.
Have you heard of Fortnite? It is the best video game. And this is my opinion. I'd like to point out that Fortnite is definitely the best. First, it's a game that you can keep trying and trying. If you aren't interested in killing players, go in sandbox mode to make your own worlds or go kill zombies and save the world and buy some skins at the shop with V-Bucks. Also, the map changes every year, so if you do not like one map, there will be another. And if you like this ad, download Fortnite too.
I looked at my sister playing video games. I asked, do you want to play a board game? It's good for your brain. And I strongly believe that video games are harmful. It messes with your mind. That's the only thing you can think of after you play. If it messes with your sight, it is too bright on your eyes, even with the sun down. I just added that fact. That's why it is bad for you and other people, so don't play video games all the time. Board games are better for your mind by Addison Rose Hall.
I think Among Us is the best game to test your brain. You have to figure out who the imposter is, do tasks, and vote the imposter out. Join games, create games, change speed, time. You can change all of those things. Decrease and increase short and long tasks. When you become a ghost, go out of the ship and chat as ghosts. Chat when you are alive. Call meetings, change maps. That when the imposter kills you, you become a ghost. Detail 1. When the imposter kills you, you become a ghost. You can still do tasks. You can self-report when you kill. You can sabotage O2 in lights, comms, and shut doors. Detail 2. It is good to play when you get home or on the bus, in bed, or on trips. Among Us is the funnest game on screens. You can play it on your phone, iPad, or iPhone, and a lot more. I think Among Us should be on the iPad because it will be a fun way to challenge our brains. Please put Among Us on our iPads by Evan Simpson.
I believe that everyone has a wonderful family in their life that cares about you. I strongly believe that your family is the best. First, they care about you, they play games with you, they read to you. Second, they love you and care you can play with them. Next, your family is the best by Katrina.
Introduction. Hey there, I'm going to show you the best video game ever made, Fortnite. I strongly believe that Fortnite is the best because you can play with other players, and if you want to play with tryhards, then you play arena solo. You can play with other people's maps on creative, and you can make your own maps. If you buy the battle pass and you get level 100, you get Baby Yoda backline in Fortnite called the Child. And if you get over level 100 and get over level 110, you get Diamond Reese, 120 Diamond Mancake, 130 Diamond Mave, 140 Diamond Condor, 150 Diamond Menace. If you want to get XP, do quest. If you want free skins, you can compete in tournaments, but sometimes you need friends because you need more people. In conclusion, Fortnite is the best game. By Logan McCarthy.
Have you heard about Funyuns? Funyuns are the best snack ever. I strongly believe that if you tried them, you would like them. First, Funyuns are salty and delicious. The taste is great. Second, Funyuns are crunchy and they are a circle. That's why I like them so much, and you should try them by JJ.
The best thing in the world is in my opinion, I know my doll is the best doll you could ask for. I'd say that he is very snuggly. First, I love him so much. Second, he is very fun. My doll is snuggly because of its stuffing and skin. My doll's name is Ori Thomas Norton. He is the best doll by Peyton Norton.